Okay, so there's some very important things that you need to know about the heart. So I've written out the basic, most fundamental things that you need to know, and that's primarily the difference between the left side of the heart and the right side of the heart. And you're going to need to know these basics pretty much for the rest of your career, because one day you're going to be tasked with someone saying you have right heart failure, and you need to know, okay, what systems is that affecting and where are my problems going to be? So essentially the way I've summarized it here, it reads off as, in the left heart, it pumps oxygenated blood to the body from the pulmonary vein via the aorta. Alright, and then same situation on the right heart. So it's just very important to know those basics and just know them off by hand, off by heart. Okay, and then it's also just important to know the 4 energy sources of the heart as well, because you need to know if there's a situation, if there's not enough fatty acids, or if there's not enough glucose in the body, it's going to start affecting the heart. So I've just listed the 4 energy sources of the heart there.